So it is our nice warm day before the blizzard comes again, and we made a sad discovery that our bees died. And I just kind of want to show you what it looks like inside the hive. Okay, so here we go. You could see where the bees started to cluster to keep each other warm. The hive beetles that were actually in the hive as well tried to keep warm there as well. And there's our poor little bees frozen. It has been an unusually cold winter, and they did have a ton of honey in here, set themselves up for the winter, but unfortunately they didn't make it. So yeah, here's our sad little cluster of bees right here.
Oh,
More honey.
full of honey. A little bit of honey on that one. Blackberries.
Ooh.
Do you think the bees made this from our berries?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Mommy.
All right, hold on, baby.
Mommy. Can you show me something? Mommy, this, come on.
They're using some of it.
Oh.
Yeah, you can see where they were using it. And it's all around the center where they were trying to stay warm.
Oh yeah, I can see exactly where they were using it. Hey Murphy, look.
What?
See that where they ate the honey? You see the open
See this
comb?
open section?
Yeah.
That's where they were eating it to stay warm.
And that this area, and that was a lot of those things.
Yeah, so they were all in this area right here where there was no honey. See our poor little bees that froze? They were trying to stay warm by eating honey.
And they would hide inside the
Oh,
cells.
look, they're kissing each other.
Oh.
And their little baby ones froze.
Yeah.
Oh, there's no babies in there. They don't make babies in the winter normally.
They make their babies in the summertime. Like you, a summer baby.
Well, broke there, right?
Yeah.
Mama.
Yeah, they didn't get any comb on that side yet.
Eh.
I want to go.
Hey! You're wild. You're a wild driver. No, go that way. I said go that way. We're going back here. You're a wild driver.
Why there's a sock in my truck?
I don't know. Why is there a
use
sock?
that to dry the.
Oh, Daddy used it to dry your seats. We are currently heading to the back of the field to show you where the bees live. I always hate the way the farm looks in the winter, but I figured I would show you so that you can see how much better it looks in the summer. So that first section is where we put the annuals. This section is our perennial section. And then the wisteria arch looks very wild right now. Definitely needs a haircut. And this is the berry patch, which looks so much sadder in the winter. Strawberries, blackberries, raspberries, and blueberries. Which is probably what a lot of our honey was made out of. The last arch has trumpet vine on it. And then we have our peonies and some more perennials. And then the garden is back here right now. And the bees are back here by the garden. Here is the site where the bees were. And you can see all the dead bees. at the bottom of the hive. So, unfortunately, no more bees. But something we would consider is putting more shelter around them so it breaks the wind a little bit more. And yeah, so sad day here for our little bees, because we do enjoy having them on the farm. Here's our setup. Here's Mark. Hi. All right, so we have 3 supers and 1 deep. The deep's not all the way full, but the supers are full. We put down a shower curtain because honey gets really messy. I turned the heat up in the house, and my cousin had this honey extractor
Just lying
around. So we were very grateful for that. And how it works is you put 2 frames in, and then you spin it really fast. And the honey drops. This is when it drops down to the bottom.
Goes down to the bottom. There's a hole in the bottom, and it'll drain into the little
And then it drains into our Tupperware here, and we are going to put it in this bucket with a screen on top to filter out all the comb and anything that might be in there. So yeah, in just a few minutes we will get started. We are currently heating up water for our knife to make it nice and hot to cut the comb. And then I'll open it up so we can extract it. It's a very messy process, so join in. Here we go. We started out cutting the comb with a knife, but it proved to be challenging. So we ended up just breaking the comb open with a fork, running it along the comb, and opening up the cells. What do you think, Marky?
There's honey alright.
There's honey, all right.
Let's see. There's this? Wait, how many honey is there? There's that and
Don't put your fingers in there. So here we're straining the honey through some sieves to get out the comb and any other things that may have been in the honey. We'll probably have to strain it one more time in the bucket just to get out anything that's left on top. And we ended up getting a 5-gallon bucket of honey, which is amazing. So extracting honey turned out to be actually a really fun family day. We took turns spinning the centrifuge. Mark spun most of it because after 1 box I was like, oh, I'm done with that. I'll wash bins of honey instead. It did make my kitchen a sticky mess. Like I felt like I was cleaning up for a few days and we stuck to the floor a little bit, but it was kind of great. And it was such a contrast Saturday to Sunday when the snow started. So I'm going to put a few clips of us out in the snow on Monday morning, right after we lost power, which stayed off for quite a bit of time. So that was a fun adventure too. So here are some clips of the snow. It's about 4 a.m. on Monday morning. And I can't say I've ever seen anything like this with the snow. Like, the snow is just hugging these trees. It literally looks like Narnia out here. So Mark and I are coming out because we heard cracking and we're concerned that it is the chicken coop, the weight of the snow. But it's literally breathtaking out here. So I just wanted to give you a look. I don't think the video does it justice. It's a little scary as well, because these branches could go at any second. I love that these two are out here building a giant snowman. It has to be like 7 foot tall.
Again. I know it's again.
You got enough buttons on that snowman?
What?
You got enough buttons? You want a carrot? Yeah.
You ready?
Yeah.
He's got a carrot nose.
Alright, and he's another arm.
He's a big snowman.
That's my dad.
Yeah. He's taller than me.
Not taller than me.
Are you sure?
I live him. Because I always sort of like this. I'm supposed to be that big, like a nose.
Go ahead, boy. Stand with your snowman. Careful. Thank you so much for following along with us. I have to tell you, snowstorms are a lot more fun when you have power because it is cold when you don't. I hope you guys made out great in the storm. I'd love to hear about what you guys did in the storm and what you thought of our bees, if we should get more bees or take the season off. But we got 5 pounds of honey out of it. So this is us. I hope you have a great day and follow along for more.